Your skin is more powerful than you think. Every single day, it protects you, heals itself, and even transforms from within. But how exactly does it do that? Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of how your skin renews, repairs, and stays glowing. Your skin isn't just a covering, it's your body's largest organ, working 24/7 to protect you from the outside world. It shields you from bacteria, pollution, and UV rays while keeping essential nutrients and moisture locked in. But here's the amazing part. Your skin constantly renews itself. The top layer you see today, it's not the same one you'll have a month from now. Your skin goes through a natural renewal process every 28 to 40 days. Deep inside the lower layers, new skin cells are born. As they grow, they slowly move upward, replacing older damaged cells that eventually shed off. This process is your skin's built-in repair system. It's how small scars fade, dullness brightens, and your complexion stays fresh and youthful. Several key factors influence how well your skin transforms. Nutrition, vitamins like A, C, and E fuel cell repair, and collagen production. Hydration, water keeps your skin cells plump and elastic. Sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that speed up skin regeneration. Sun protection, too much UV exposure slows renewal and causes damage. Skincare, gentle cleansing and exfoliation help remove dead cells, making room for new ones to surface. Think of it like a reset button your body presses every few weeks, renewing your skin layer by layer. When you eat right, sleep well, stay hydrated, and protect your skin, you're not just taking care of your appearance, you're supporting one of the most vital functions of your body. Healthy habits don't just make your skin glow, they help it truly transform from the inside out. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, your skin isn't static. It's alive, dynamic, and always changing. Take care of it, and it will thank you with a radiant, youthful glow. If you enjoyed learning about your skin's secret science, hit like, subscribe, and share this video, because healthy skin starts with understanding it.